Hi guys, I'm Alexander Kozhenkov from the GridGain Control Center team, and today we will talk about rolling upgrades. I've seen many times how people install a certain version of a software and never update it, like Elasticsearch 2.4, and then they may realize that the new framework or library does not support this old version and they need to upgrade it. Also, the list of features is always increasing, and that's not to mention that any software from time to time releases vulnerabilities fixes and bug fixes. The naive way to upgrade Apache Ignite is to stop the entire cluster and start the nodes again with the newest version and the same path to persistence. Of course, if you use the cluster intensively or you want to save the data of a memory cluster, this method doesn't suit you. To upgrade the cluster on the fly, there is a special feature called rolling upgrade that is available for Ultimate and Enterprise edition of GridGain. Let's get started. First of all, we have to enable the rolling upgrade feature as it is described in the documentation. So let's make sure that we set the flag to true in the config file. And then let's start two nodes. Also, we need to manually start a rolling upgrade with Ctrl+Sh. Let's open Control Center and add a rebalance widget that shows the status of rebalance and versions of the cluster nodes. Assume that we want to upgrade the cluster to version 8.8.2. We have binaries of it and we can stop one old node and start a new one. The rebalance widget shows how the data from the second node backs up to the new one. When the rebalance is finished, we can repeat this process for the second node. When the rebalance is finished, we can repeat this process for the second node. You can even speed up this process if new nodes have persistent paths, storage, wall and wall archive, as they are for old nodes. In this case, there won't be a rebalance process at all. And now the cluster is up to date. Also, before the rolling upgrade process, please make sure that target version is compatible with the previous one. You can find it in the documentation. For example, here we see from which versions we can upgrade to 8.8.2. So, rolling upgrade is a great feature, allowing you to update a cluster on the fly and get new features, vulnerabilities fixes and bug fixes as soon as they are released. What's the oldest version of a software you still have running in your projects? Please share it in the comments. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.